right, good job. All right. So now we're going coming out of that, parting the wild horse's mane, going into cloudy hands. So what we want to do coming out of that cloudy hands, or going into cloudy hands rather, is make sure we're setting that up correctly. And so coming out of that final one, we're going to have coming out of that right hand on top, pivot, parting wild horse's mane, inching back, set it up, neutral, left hand on top, pivot, parting wild horse's mane, coming back to neutral. Make sure we got that right hand on top, so that way we can come into that first cloudy hands, left hand extended, weight goes with it, shift, under, going for a count of 4, this is number 2, shift under, weight goes with it, that was number 3, here's number 4. To the weight shift, that's the inhale, exhale. See that weight goes with, there's 70-30 split this, but that weight goes with cloudy hands. We're throwing the frisbee for cloudy hands. Right hand throws to 2 o'clock, left hand throws to 10 o'clock. Throwing frisbees in slow motion. The exchange hand comes here, throws the frisbee. Exchange hand when it comes all the way 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock plane, throws my frisbee. Gotta exchange it out, throw my frisbee. After I get done throwing my frisbee, I gotta exchange it out. The exchange is the inhale. The throw is my exhale. The weight goes with it. Like you're throwing a baseball. If you were throwing a baseball, you don't throw with your weight back here. You throw with the weight going with it. If you're going to hit something, you don't hit with your weight back here. You hit with your weight going with it. Same here. You weight follows the hand in Tai Chi. Weights here, no weight here. Weights here, no weight here. 70-30 split. You're never putting all your weight on one toothpick, okay? You gotta stay balanced. So, again, coming in here, got a first, right hand up, turn, pivot, parting the wild horse's mane, turn, part those hands diagonally, we're right back, pivot, neutral, the left hand's going on top, turn the big ship's wheel, catch the ball, look over the right shoulder, pivot, lean, separate those hands diagonally, right back, neutral, right hand back on top, turn the big ship's wheel. Now, my left hand is what's going to be the first one. Cloudy hands number 1. Trade it out, breathe in, exhale. Cloudy hands number 2. Breathe in. Cloudy hands number 3. Breathe in. Last one, cloudy hands number 4. Now from here, going into that single whip, so we're just going to sink down. Both hands just going to sink down from here. It's like you're going straight down the center. There's a little bend here. A little bend in the knees. So the body's coming up. Hands are going down. So coming out. That last one. Turn that wheel. Left hand is on top. Turn, Come back, then right. So on top, and cloudy hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hands floated in.